Welcome to Divyanshu BI Studio, your hub for data analytics and Microsoft Fabric tutorials. Today we are going to understand Microsoft Fabric pipeline activity. I have break down pipeline activities into three main categories. First one is data movement and transformation activity. Second one is control flow activity. Third one is utility activity. In this video, I am going to cover data movement and transformation activity, and in upcoming video, I am going to cover control flow and utility activity. I'm also going to cover live demo of data movement and transformation activities. So here's a quick overview of data movement and transformation activities. I have covered four main activities under this category. The first one is copy data activity. In this activity, if you want to move your raw data from one location to other, then use this copy activity. Like say for example, if you want to move your data from Lakehouse to data warehouse, then use this activity. Second activity is data flow activity. If you are from Power BI background, you know about data flow. Data flow is simply is a Power Query online. If you want to do the transformation with low code, then use this data flow activity. Third one is notebook activity. If you want to use Python and SQL and R programming language to transform your data, then use notebook activity. This activity is best suited for do heavy ETL transformation or ML loads. Fourth one is script activity. If you want to run your SQL queries like DDL and DML command directly inside a lakehouse and warehouse, then use script activity. Let's know more about the each and every activity. The first one is copy activity. The purpose I already mentioned, like move data from a source to destination. It support most of the connector like Azure Blob, SQL, APIs, and so many destinations like lakehouse and warehouse files with minimum transformation. Second, we have a data flow. So the purpose is to perform no code data transformation, and it support many operations like filtering, joining, append, and column splitting and data type changes. Next, we have a notebook activity. It perform code based data processing by using PassSpark and Python and SQL. It is basically suited for ML loads and the ETL processes. Next, we have a script activity. It execute TSQL script directly within a pipeline for database operation. So you can do DDL and DML commands without needing another tool. So this is a theory. Let's go for a demo. Okay, right now I'm in Fabric workspace. I have already created Data Factory tutorial Fabric workspace. If you want to create new workspace, just click on workspaces, then click new workspace. Okay, so before starting our activities, first we need to create a lake house and warehouse to store our data. For that, you need to click on new item, search lake house, click on lake house, give some name, click create. Okay, so our lake house has been created. Similarly, we need to create warehouse. Give some name, click create. Okay, so lakehouse and warehouse has been created. So let's store some data inside our lakehouse. Okay, so I have some CSV file I need to upload here. So click on upload file. There are three sample file I have. Click on upload. Okay, so you can see that the CSV file has been uploaded. Okay, now if you want to convert this file into table, just click on three dots here and click load to table, create new table, click load. Okay, so if you click on table, the file should be here. Right now it's loading. Similarly for second file also we can do that. Okay, so both file are in table format. We can view the preview. Okay. Okay, so let's create a copy activity, and we are going to move our raw data from our lakehouse to warehouse. Okay, so for that we need to create a pipeline. For that we need to click on new item, click on data pipeline, give some name, create, click. Okay, so right now I'm in data factory kind of interface here. So to create a copy activity, click on copy data, add to canvas. Okay, give some name. Okay, now go to source. Source, we have a lakehouse, we have tables. We can select the table. Right now it's loading. Click on refresh. Select any table. Okay, choose destination. Before that we need to select the format, I guess. Okay, it's not coming here. Destination is our warehouse. Okay, we have to give some name. By data 01. Okay, okay, now click validate, click run. Okay, the copy activity has completed. So now go to warehouse, click on refresh, check the schema, go to tables. So you can see that we have successfully moved our data from lakehouse to warehouse. So that's how your copy activity work. Next, we have a data flow activity. Okay, let's discuss data flow activity. So data flow activity is like if we want to do low code transformation, then we use data flow activity. So what we are going to do is like we are going to take data from a lakehouse, do some transformation, and then move our that data to our warehouse. Okay, so first we need to create data flow. For that you need to click on new item, then search Dataflow Gen2, give some name, click create. It is like a Power Query online. Okay, so first we need to import our data from the lakehouse. Click on get data, then we have already created lake 01. We'll connect from that. Okay, giving some search lakehouse here, click on lakehouse, create new connection, click next, click on data factory tutorial. Lake 01 is our lakehouse from where we are going to import our data. So we are going to select two table, click on create. Okay, so both files has been uploaded in Dataflow here. So let's apply some transformation. Okay, I want to remove some column. And from next table also I want to remove some column. Okay, now I want to append something. Append query as new. Click OK. Okay, after that, if you want to apply any other transformation, like if you want to change the data type, like if you want to data type to like time only, not date time, click on date. Similarly for ended date column also. Okay, give some name like I am giving append here. Okay, so to move our data flow transformation data to warehouse, we have to select destination. For that, on the bottom right you can see data destination. Click on plus, select warehouse. Okay, I want to move our data to where01. Table name is append. Okay, click next. If you want to append data or replace data, since it's the first time we are loading, we have select any option. I'm selecting replace. Save setting. Okay, so now data flow has been ready. Okay, so let's go to workspace, check the data flow. Okay, it is now, I think it's loading. Okay, in the meantime, let's create a data flow activity. So for that you need to create a new data pipeline. Give some name. Click create. Okay, select data flow, select data flow which we have created. Okay, click validate. Click run. It's currently running. Okay, okay, so data flow activity ran successfully. So let's check our warehouse. Okay, so here you can see that the data is coming. Okay, so that's how data flow activity work. Next we have a notebook activity. So it is used when you want to do data transformation using Python, Scala, R and SQL. So it is basically used for big data processing and ML loads. So to create a notebook inside Lakehouse, you just have to click on open notebook, create a new notebook. Okay, so in this notebook I am going to show you how we are going to run the DML commands and create a new table, and using Spark SQL. So I have to select Spark SQL here, and I'm going to run some DML command here. I'm going to create a new table, employee, and insert some data. So it will take a while because Spark cluster has to start. Okay, so as you can see that the cell has been successfully. Click refresh here. Okay, a table also has created. So if you want to see the table, select start from employee. Okay, okay, so that's how you can run the notebook. If you want to run the notebook in the Azure Data Factory kind of interface, just create on add to pipeline here. Yes, so you have to select the notebook. Okay, notebook has been selected already, and click on run, and that's how you can run the notebook activity. Okay, next we have a script activity. It allows you to execute SQL command within a data pipeline. So you can use this activity to perform DML commands and DDL commands. So I am going to show you how you can perform DML commands in a data warehouse. So we have a data warehouse in which we have a two table here, bike data. So I am going to perform some DML commands and DDL commands in bike data 01 directly from data pipeline. So for that we need to create one data pipeline. So I'm going to give PL script click. Okay, go to activities, click on script. Okay, go to settings and select a warehouse. Okay, so there are two options here, query and non-query. So in query you can give statement like DDL statement, select statement. In non-query you can run DML commands like update, insert and delete command. Okay, so first I'm going to show you in query. So I'm going to write some query, select. Click OK. Okay, now go to home, click validate, close and run. Okay, so the script activity ran successfully. You can see the output. Okay, so their row count is 5000 rows. Okay, you can see all the data. Okay, so let's run some DML commands in non-query view. I'm going to create a new table. So click on activity, click on non-query view. Okay, I'm going to remove this first. Click on non-query view. Okay, so create table as okay, so this will create a copy of this already existed by data 01. Click OK. Now validate, click close, run this activity, save and run. Okay, so the activity has been done successfully. So let's check the warehouse whether the new table has been created or not. Okay, click refresh. Okay, so you can see that the new table has been created. Okay, so that's all your full end-to-end fabric pipeline tutorial. So see you in the next video. Thank you.